I've had this old piece of 5/8" rebar sitting around and want to use a piece to show a simple twist. I want to thank Christ-Centered Ironworks, Tim O'Connor, Matt Stalvey, and Tommy West for donating during my last live stream, especially given the level of issues I had. Big thanks, fellas. So here's my Vice guillotine tool with butcher die set. It also comes with a fullering die set. I'm getting away from the Pipe Guide Hardy guillotine in favor of this, and so I may also offer this one in a Hardy hole version, and maybe in 2 different sizes. If anyone is interested, I can still offer a reasonable discount. Just shoot me an email. I partially chose this quick project today since I'm almost out of gas. I know I'm not at a very high temperature, but boy, this rebar is really hard. Rebar twists can be really organic looking and interesting. I just want to accent that further by randomly hammering in some indents. I don't want to go too deep, otherwise it won't twist evenly. Given the rebar ridges and my random indents, after twisting, it's sort of like opening a Christmas present. Sometimes you get something cool, sometimes you get tube socks. This is less tube sock and more cool in my opinion. I'll go on to turn this into a useful item that I can give as a gift. I appreciate everyone who watches, and I'll catch you guys next time.